So let's take the third question on percentage, which was asked in the year 2019 in CAT. So what is the question saying? The income of Amla is 20% more than that of Bimla and 20% less than that of Kamla. So income of Amla is compared with Bimla and Kamla. 20% more than Bimla, 20% less than Kamla. If Kamla's income goes down by 4% and Bimla's income goes up by 10%, so there is a change in the income of Kamla and Bimla which is happening, then the percentage by which Kamla's income would exceed Bimla's income is nearest to. Okay, so what do we understand from this? Question is given in percentage, answer is asked in percentage, so assume value and start with the question. So let's start with our characters. We'll start because Amla is compared to whom? Bimla and Kamla. Okay, so we'll keep center as Amla and we'll keep here Bimla, and this would be your Kamla because Amla is compared to Bimla and Kamla. The income of Amla is 20% more than that of Bimla, so let the income of Bimla be 100. Since the income of Amla is 20% more, so what will I write it here? The income of Amla becomes what then? 120, right? This becomes 120. So we know that as well. And income of Amla is 20% less than that of Kamla. So what do I know? What is an income of Kamla? I don't know. Let that be X. But I know 20% of that reduction, which means what? 80% of Kamla's income is nothing but 120. Because it reduced Kamla's income reduced by 20% and then you get Amla's, right? So 80% of Kamla's income is nothing but 120. This is quite easy to solve. 4s, 5s, 1s, 3s, 30. So X comes out to be what? X comes out to be 150, which means what? Which means Kamla's income is nothing but 150. We know that. So comparison to Amla, I got Bimla and Kamla in terms of some assumed value, which doesn't matter because eventually we are finding out the percentage. But what do we know here? 20% less. Okay, 20% less of this will give me Amla's, and 20% more of Bimla will give me again Amla. So that is my understanding here. Now what else is the condition that is given? If Kamla's income goes down by 4% and Bimla's income goes up by 10. So Bimla's income goes up by 10. So this goes up by 10%. What is 10% of 100? That is nothing but 10. So if you add 10 to that, this becomes what? 110. 110 is the new income of Bimla right now. And what happens? Kamla's income goes down by 4%. So this is the Kamla's income. It goes down further by 4%. Okay, what is 4% of this? 1% is 1.5, right? 1% is 1.5, 150. So 4% will be what? 6. Take out 6 from this. What will you reach here? So this will be 144. So 144 is now the new income of Kamla. What is being asked? You are supposed to compare the new of Bimla with the new of Kamla. What is being asked? Then the percentage by which Kamla's income would exceed Bimla's income is nearest to. So Bimla's income is 110. Kamla's income is 144. Percentage by which it is exceeding is what? 34. 34 is what you will add to this to get to 144, right? 34 is now what percent of 110 is your question. So 34 is what percent of this? Approximately you can say it is equal to 31%. Correct? 31 is what percent of 110? Okay, that will be 31% because 30% is 33 and 1% is 1.1. 33 plus 1.1 will be 34 approximately. So 31%. Option number C will be your answer to this. Okay, so what did you learn from this? If the question is given in percentage, answer is asked in percentage, assume any value and reach to your answer, because this is the easiest kind of percentage question that you can get in CAT.